Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So yesterday in the beginning of the session, nothing is promised something interesting, but later, as you know, it's important event has happened that has pushed the price of the gold slightly higher, and you can see the rally also has started on the crude oil again. Just Russia had announced that it intends to sell the commodities, starting from the gas to Europe, but later I suppose that it will be spread over the other commodities, including the wheat, later in Russian rubles. So this is, important step. So now the ball stands on the side of the United States, actually. It's just because Europe will have to either ease sanctions and join the Russian banking system to pay in rubles for gas, or if United States forbids to do this, the European economy stands actually at the edge of the collapse, just because the supply of the gas will be contracted if no payment will follow. So for the United States, it's a really bad thing. It's just because Russia shows that the march out of the dollar payment system. Yes, the overall trading volume is not very significant. It has no decisive meaning for the system, but this just creates the precedent that is not really very positive. Since Europe is not the United States could just bring some victim as European Union economy and forbid them to accept payment in rubles. This is currently big risk, and that actually why gold market shows the upward performance. Second risk stands around geopolitical situation, but probably it could come to culmination a bit later, within the 2-3 weeks, somewhere in middle in the April. There's lots of rumors and information stands that Poland intends to invade the western region of the Ukraine and set the control of the 4 western regions. Also, the Hungary also have some view on the western part of the Ukraine as well. And that potentially could lead to the military escalation in the region. So these two factors should support the gold demand in the nearest time. But first is payments for Russian gas. So as you know, Joe Biden has arrived today in Brussels, and definitely will be some negotiation on this subject. Also, it will be the North Atlantic Organization meeting concerning the possible invasion of the Poland in Ukraine as well. So everything stands, brings some risks to the markets, and for the gold, this is the source of the optimism that it might support for demand for the gold market. And actually, you could see that yesterday we said that overall performance of the market stands weak. When the markets returned back down, we said that might be some downward action with the butterfly or something of that sort. But later, when the news had been released, market was able to stay above the 618 support, forming a large pattern, and start upward action here. So currently, the point where retracement might be return back to idea of 1962-1965. This will be agreement with this ABCD pattern. It also will be confidence resistance. That potentially the upward pullback, where market could start dropping again, depending on the news background that we will have, depending on what will happen around all this situation. But currently, this is our short-term forecast, so probably market should try to complete this target, and then we will see what will happen in the reaction on this level. Also, it will be natural support resistance area. You can see this is actually the hand and shoulders. This previously was the support. Now it also will be the resistance. So that's the things that we intend to keep an eye on the gold market right now.